For any business, improving cash flow, billing accuracy, and customer service is of the utmost importance. It's essential to get payments out, and automating payments and collections can significantly improve business performance. In this scenario, learn how to create recurring billing schedules to manage and automate your recurring transactions. After signing into Acumatica, let's set up a recurring invoice. The Church of Apostles wants 150 cupcakes every Sunday for members attending their service. An easy way to start this process is from the customer record. Choose New Invoice. This will be our template for our recurring transactions. Simply add the description, the quantity, and price. For this example, I'm using the description, but you could also use a non-stock item or a stock item if you're tracking inventory. Once the invoice is completed, choose the Actions button, Add to Schedule. Now we're defining the recurring billing transaction. On this form, you maintain the schedule for the accounts receivables documents that you repeat regularly. The schedule can contain one document or multiple documents that you would like to generate. You can set an expiration date, have it unlimited, and do the same to set the specific number of executions. I'm going to leave both of these unlimited. The schedule type we're going to be using is going to be weekly, and we will select Monday to generate the invoice since they are receiving cupcakes for their Sunday events. I can also add a description to my recurring billing schedule. On the lower part of the window, the Generated Documents tab will show any invoices that were generated from this schedule. The document list shows the invoice or invoices associated with this recurring billing transaction. I can drill back to see what is on the invoice and make adjustments if needed. For example, at any time, if the customer wants to increase the quantity of cupcakes, I can open it up, make that change, and any future invoices generated would be generated with the updated quantity. Also, notice that the status shows Scheduled, which identifies that this invoice is attached to a recurring billing schedule, and it's used as a template for generating similar documents. Now that the invoice template and the recurring billing schedule is set up, it needs to be processed. I can run this on demand by using the Run button or leverage automation within Acumatica and add it to a schedule to have it created for me. So let's take a look at how to automate this. Under the Processes area, select Generate Recurring Transactions. You can use this form and select a recurring billing schedule or multiple if you'd like. Click Run, and it would generate the accounts receivable documents based on these templates. The schedules to be processed are filtered by the date that you specify in the Execution Date box. You can also go one step further and create a schedule which will run them for you on a specific day and time that you define. To do this, mark the recurring transaction that we created. From the scheduling icon, choose Add. Keep in mind that whenever you see the scheduling icon throughout Acumatica, it means you can generate a schedule. From this window, I can create new schedules or add it to an existing schedule. This automation schedule lets you define things like when it should start, stop, and how many to do. It provides information such as the last time it was executed and the next time it will run. The Schedule tab shows if it is weekly or monthly, what time of day it should run. Maybe it's better to run it at 1:30 in the morning when no users are in the system. The Conditions tab allows you to define conditions for the schedule, like the schedule only needs to run for one particular recurring transaction, kind of like the one we created. Now that you know how to add one to a schedule, let's quickly see how effortlessly the automation is. I'm going to change my business date to tomorrow since my schedule was supposed to run today at 1:30 a.m. I can check the status of my automations from the Automation Schedule Status window using the Universal Search to quickly navigate there. From here, I can see all the automation schedules, their status, if the last execution was successful, when it will run again, all types of information. Since this one says it was successful, I'm going to go ahead and open up the recurring transaction so you can see that there is now a document under the Generated Documents area, an invoice for my customer that I can also open and review and post. As you can see, automating recurring transactions makes the accounts receivable job easier, and in just a few steps, they can have the system create the invoices for them. This scheduling feature can also be used to release invoices as well as send them off to customers. Doesn't your organization deserve automation this simple and easy? For more information, check out Acumatica Financial Management Suite Preview at rocktonconnect.com.